Let's say that x equals 5. And let's see what happens to the question if every time we see an x, we read a 5. So the stem. The harvest yield from a certain apple orchard was 350 bushels of apples. So our 5 doesn't affect that sentence at all. Our total yield is still 350 bushels. If, and here I'll read 5 rather than x, if 5 of the trees in the orchard each yielded 10 bushels. So from those 5, well, that's not so bad with a value in there, right? If 5 each yielded 10, then how many do we get just from those 5? Well, that'll be 5 times 10. Each of those 5s gives 10, so we get 5 times 10, or 50. So our total is 350. From those 5, we get 50. And our question is, what fraction of the harvest yield was from those 5? So what fraction of our yield was from those 5? And so with x equals 5, the answer to our question becomes, well, this number as a fraction of this number. So 50 as a fraction of 350, which could also be written as 5 over 35, or even 1 over 7, or some other fraction that reduces to one of these. So we now know that if x equals 5, our answer needs to be one of these. Now all we have to do is figure out which answer choice does that same thing. Which answer choice leads to one of these fractions when x equals 5. So answer choice A, x over 35, or for us, 5 over 35. That does match our fraction, so A is a strong contender for our answer, but I want to go through the other answer choices just to make sure that nothing else also leads to one of these through some kind of chance. Answer choice B, 1 minus 5 over 35. That is definitely not going to lead to 5 over 35. B is not our answer. C, 10 times 5 is far too big. C's not it. D, 35 minus 5 is 30, and that is not what we're looking for. D's not it. And then E is also far too big. 350 minus 10 times 5 minus 50. In any case, not going to be 5 over 35. E is not our answer. The only one that matches is A, so we know to click that.